When your oven control board fails, you don't have to spend thousands on a new appliance. Repairing it can save you time, money, and frustration. If you're having issues with any of the electrical functions of your oven, such as heating elements or display, you know how disruptive it could be. Troubleshooting appliances is often difficult due to the lack of information available, and finding replacement parts is sometimes impossible, as the manufacturer will not support the oven after a certain amount of time. So today, we're going to show you some general troubleshooting tips, walk you through the common symptoms of a failed oven control board, and show you how to restore your oven's functionality. If you're having an error code on the display, you'll need to research the oven's specific model number to find the meaning of that code. This will often point to the exact problem, such as a faulty touchpad, temperature sensor, door lock, or control board. If you do have a code or your issue relates to your oven overheating or underheating during either a bake or broil cycle, completely disconnect power from your oven and check all of the oven's wirings and connections. If everything seems to be connected properly, you most likely have a faulty control board or relay board. These are common failure points of all ovens due to the components that wear out over time. The most common symptoms of a failed oven control board are intermittent error codes such as F1, F2, F3, F4, and F2E6, the oven exceeding the set temperature or not turning off, the oven not reaching temperature, or the oven display being dim or completely out. Depending on the oven, there may be other issues as well, and failure of the oven control board could result in one or multiple of these symptoms at the same time. At Circuit Board Medics, we offer a repair service for a variety of oven control boards. We rebuild your module within 1 business day of receiving it, often at a fraction of the price of a replacement. When you receive your repaired control board, you'll simply just need to plug it in, and you're all set. We back the repair with our comprehensive 2-year warranty, and our world-class customer support is here to assist with further troubleshooting either before or after the repair. If your oven control board needs to be repaired, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.